Hidden in the quiet town of Hayakita, Hokkaido, there's a restaurant food lovers never forget, Restaurant Miyamoto. Famous for handcrafted cheese, comforting local dishes, and the legendary Mumin Pork, the secret starts with cheese. When making 8 different cheeses, including rich Camembert, nutrient-packed whey is created as part of the process. Instead of wasting it, the whey is fed to specially raised pigs. Thanks to natural live probiotics, the pigs grow healthier and stronger. The result is Mumin Pork, tender, juicy, and incredibly flavorful. Rich in healthy oleic and linoleic acids, amino acids, and vitamin B2, with almost none of the strong smell typical pork can have. At Restaurant Miyamoto, every dish celebrates the flavors of Hokkaido, from creamy cheese dishes to crispy pork cutlets and juicy hamburg steaks. And one thing you absolutely cannot miss: the cheese soft serve and the rich, creamy cheesecake. Made with their famous cheese, these desserts have become favorites for both locals and travelers. There's also a direct shop next to the restaurant, where you can bring the taste of Hokkaido home. From handcrafted cheese to frozen hamburg steaks and even delicious gyoza, it's the perfect stop for food lovers. One bite, and you'll understand why people keep coming back. Authentic Hokkaido flavor, crafted with passion. Only at Restaurant Miyamoto. Check the description for more information about the restaurant and their famous products. And don't forget to like, save, and follow for more hidden food spots in Japan. Experience Hayakita through taste.